CRIS welcomes all in seminar on rail transportation and smart cities as a part of its annual day celebration. The IT wing of Indian Railways is involved in passenger ticketing, freight operations, assets management, back-end processes for all IT applications, integration of IT applications for entire Indian Railways, and the strengths are domain expertise, IT expertise, capability to integrate, and one of the largest e-commerce entity in the world. CRIS initiatives towards smart cities, paperless unreserved ticket, that is UTS on mobile. Moving in line with Digital India, UTS on mobile is a mobile app for paperless unreserved tickets. It delinks a person's ticket from counter. And the advantages are no queues, lesser time taken, do journey as planned. And the statistics are Mumbai suburban ridership in May 2015 is approximately 20 crore 32 lakhs. Chennai suburban ridership in May 2015 is approximately 2 crore 72 lakhs.
User will log into the application using his registered mobile number and password. Here I am going to book second class ticket from Agmore to Tamram using normal booking option. User will enter desired source and destination here. As Agmore Tamram route is GPS enabled, the application will check for user's GPS location. Here different details like number of adult, child, journey type, class code can be modified. On pressing Get Fare button, application will calculate fare and ask to book ticket. On pressing Book Ticket button, application will check whether the GPS location of user is within the allowed distance range. After ensuring this, ticket will be booked and a ticket confirmation screen with journey details will appear. Using the same ticket, passenger can board the train without taking any hard copy of the ticket.
The days of waiting in queue and missing suburban trains are over now. Ticketing for metro systems in Kolkata Metro, RFID-based smart cards and smart tokens. It tries to delink the person's ticketing from counter. Provides access control. Person in and out is being monitored. The average ridership per day is approximately 7 lakhs. No need to stand in queue now. This is an access control system like any other metro system. Integrated system for multimodal transports, shipping and rail mode integration, availability display units and passenger-operated inquiry kiosks. Blinds 10 island locations along with 3 mainland locations, namely Chennai, Kolkata and Vizag. Integrated system for multimodal transports. Railcom road bridging scheme in Kashmir Valley. Seamless travel to Kashmir with single ticket covering both the modes, that is rail and bus. Disembark at Udhampur. Board dedicated bus to Banihal. Take a connected train to destination. Development activities for future. Integrated ticketing for metros, as in rail, road and metro. Ticketing for suburban railway systems.